let you go. Girl, you know how I've been living.
Hey bells, it's ChloeIsabel and I'm back with another video. Today we'll be seeing how I put on this U-part unit. It's pretty easy to put on. It took me less than 5 minutes to put on. Let's get into the video. Okay, hey bells. So first things first, with this U-part wig install, you want to braid your hair to the back. I prefer to braid it. You can pull it back into a ponytail, but the braids are less tension on your hair, on your scalp. So just braid it, y'all. I'm showing y'all my messy cornrows right here. It doesn't have to be a perfect braid, and that's my leave out in the back, on the sides, and the little knot that I have in the front. You will see me put some silver clips on it in a minute just to notify y'all that that is my leave out, and that's what we'll be using for our natural sew-in look. This is the unit. It is the 24 inches, I believe. That's my clips in the back. I had to clip those two together because my head is small, and I also did some rearranging to the clips that they originally sent. I think they came with 4 clips, and I cut them out and added 3 clips. Y'all can see that, 1 in the middle and 2 on the side, just to make it a little bit more comfortable for my head. I'm used to wearing clip-ins, so this was easy for me to do, but also it's more comfortable with less clips. So here I am putting the teeth, and this is why I say braids are vital for this install. I was trying to do this before with no braids, and it hurt my scalp so bad, it made it so sore. So the clips are vital, and here I am just clipping the back. So y'all, I did have to do a little rearranging to this U-part wig, but honestly it's beautiful. The hair is no shedding at all, like no shedding, y'all. I've had some wigs that shed. It's no shedding. The hair is super soft, to say it comes from Amazon especially. But here I am, I'm just blending my leave out at this point. I did have a silk press before this install, y'all. I did not do this myself. I went to a hairdresser, so this is why my hair is so silky and it's blending in so good with the wig. So here I am just parting my hair down the middle. I am opting to do a middle part. I did see some girls on the reviews with a side part, but I love my middle part. That bust down look, yes. I like to use a hard brush to blend my hair in with any type of weave I put in my hair. It always helps. This is a goodie brush from Walmart, and this is the wax stick that I use. It works really good. I will link it down below. Brushing my hair back, gearing up to do my baby hairs. I'm just gonna use some Got To Be glue. That's the only thing that lays my baby hairs down, y'all, especially since I've been natural. I just use a little bit, and I'm just gonna swoop just really natural baby hairs, honestly, just something simple. And I'm also gonna do my little sideburns because I have a lot of hair on my sideburns, y'all. I'm just gonna make it look neat at this point. Better kiss it before I go. If you ain't nasty, don't at me. I've been working all day. Okay, now that I'm done with my baby hairs, I'm just gonna wine curl my hair. I used to use a hot curler, but I love the wine curler better, and it gives you that wave look instead of this just hard curl look. And your hair also falls like really good, and you know, you can wear it the next day and it's going to be wavy, it's going to be pretty, it's going to look natural. That's what we want. So I'm just clipping my hair up. I like to start in small sections when I'm wine curling, and y'all gonna see me repeat the process on the other side. And yeah. I got too many hoes. I can't hang you. Like to put that shit in your nose. But I still love you. Doing shit that nobody knows. Hey guys, so I just finished doing the hair. It came out really good. I did use the wine curler as I showed before, but this is the U-part wig. This comes from Amazon. It was about $112. I hope you guys like this video. I hope this video informed you all a lot about this, and I will see you guys
in the next video. Let me know how you feel about it, how you think I styled it in the comments below. Bye.
You go.